What is up, Scootaheads? Hey, I hope you guys are all having a fantastic week. This is my first time riding out on the CBR500R. Just taking around my area and enjoying a little bit of time on the bike. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
But this is my first motovlog on the CBR500R, and it is about 48 degrees right now. I'm just out here chilling, literally. But it feels good to be out here, get a chance to ride and enjoy some fresh air real quick. This is going to just be a quick ride. I made a video the other day about should I have waited to get the 2022, and riding this thing, I'm so enjoying it. Like, I really am. Mischief. Yeah, I'm just getting used to it. This is gonna be, like I said, a real short ride. I don't want to ride in the salty roads. I want to get some, make sure there's some there's a little bit of rain that comes to prevent, the salt. So, not an ideal time to ride at all. Still very cold, and I'm sure the ice is not, well, as you can see, the ice is not melted yet. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick little motovlog. Yeah, so nice day considering.
Big shout out to Mike Check Moto with his Honda CBR500R down in Florida. I know the weather's a bit different.
It is cold out though. And you gotta be careful because there's salt all around here, and that'll mess up your day. And I don't want to have a messed up day. So I'm just out here enjoying a little bit of fresh air. Take you guys along with me. Trust me, I'm just getting used to the CBR, but so far I'm really enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it. A lot of you guys, your states don't use salt on the roads, so that is not good for metal parts, obviously. So I'm not gonna do too much out here. Not at all. Not at all. Matter of fact, let me turn it around. That turning radius is definitely not the same as that I have on the ADV. But yeah, just wanted to take a few minutes to get this motovlog out. It's been hard being in the house. Like this kind of supercharged me. I feel so, oh man, I needed to get out. I just been waiting, and today seems to be a pretty decent day. Whoa, I didn't mean to do that red bomb. Yeah, I'm still a rookie with these manuals, guys.
I wanted to spare you guys the bad audio. Pops and wind noise are starting to happen. I don't know what happened to the microphone, but it was like listening to a chalkboard. So I'm going to do a voiceover. I think I'm going to get a chin curtain to help with reducing some of those weird noises that were happening with the audio. So I was using my H1N recorder, so I do think that that's helpful as far as clarity when I'm motovlogging. But I got to work on the audio piece to where maybe get that chin curtain and get some of that wind noise out of there. It really got bad. I don't know if the direction of the wind was changing as I was going in this section, but it is what it is. But so I've really been enjoying the CBR. Got about 10 miles on it. This happened to be a day where it was about 50 degrees. I think it was like 48. And it was warm enough to get out and ride. The thing, though, was the wind was crazy. And I really didn't want to spend too much time outside because the salt was still on the road. I really wanted to wait until we get a couple rains to get salt off the road. As soon as I got the CBR back home, I dusted it off, made sure I cleaned everything up because, you don't want salt sitting on metal components on your car or motorcycle. So I'm in upstate New York, so I'm in the Rust Belt. Definitely, I've had cars rust out in the past and don't want this for my CBR. So I'm just did a quick ride just to get out and, get some time on the CBR. So I'm really enjoying it. I would say that my favorite part is just, shifting through the gears. I love driving manual transmission vehicles, cars, and now motorcycles. I've had some experience with riding on dirt bikes in the past, but I'm going back 20 years, and it wasn't like I was good at it. It was one of those things where it's like, okay, I'm making my way through it. But so with the CBR, I'm going to definitely be able to hone in on that skill set, make sure my skills as far as shifting and things like that are smooth as butter. And it's one of those things where it's a slight challenge coming from the twist and go, but I'm excited and I'm really enjoying my time with this bike so far. Obviously only 10 miles, but more to come on this. Guys, it felt good to get out and do a motovlog. It's been months, so it was refreshing. Really enjoyed my time. This is the longest ride I've had probably since November. So felt awesome to get out and ride again. So continue to check out the videos. More to come. Check out my Instagram. I want to start following you guys on Instagram as well, because I know you guys got a ton of awesome bikes. I want to check them out. All right, check me on the next one, guys. Peace.